Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to best use my PL300 practice test course so that you can clear your PL300 examination in first attempt. Before doing so, I would like to point out that you can get this course for free if your organization offers Udemy for Business. This course is part of Udemy for Business and you can get it for free through your organization. So please go and check with your manager. Now, in case your organization does not have Udemy for Business, then what you can do is you can go to google.com or any of your favorite search engine and search for PL300 Ravi Kiran. Okay. So click the first link, which is my website. And here in Udemy practice test, this is my course link. And usually I update it with a discount coupon. So you can make use of that coupon to get the course at a very less price. So the reason why I'm doing this video is I get lots of questions from people who have enrolled in my course about how to use the course. I feel my course provides lots of features, so I need to tell them exactly how they can get the best out of my course. There are 4 practice tests and one practice test contains 2 case studies. So I would suggest that you start with practice test 1. All the practice tests are designed in such a way that the second practice test is kind of dependent on first practice test and the third practice test is kind of dependent on the first and second practice test. So I would suggest you go with practice test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that order. So once you purchase the course, just click on begin the test. Okay, and read the question, read the answers, select the option, go to next and finish. This way it's going to take 1 hour 40 minutes for each test. So once you enter all the answers, finish the test and then you can review the questions. You can review your answers. So you will need to get 70% to pass, and you can see the list of domains that are included in this test and how much percentage that you have got. Now it's not possible to clear in the first attempt because I have designed it that way. So to know where you have gone wrong, review the questions. You can read the questions again and see what are the correct options and what you have selected and the overall explanation. The explanation is super detailed. It comes with lots of screenshots at every step of the way, even the reference links that you need to check. Okay. And sometimes I feel that even people get confused with using this image. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an image, it means that I am explaining each step in the image with these bullet points. So number 1 is the filter context month of January and year of 2013 filters the purchases table. So you have to correlate the bullet points given here with the image to better understand the explanation. Now, do not stop with just understanding the explanation because it's going to go over your head at one point in time because explanations are deep. What you need to do is you need to click on this link. If you just click, it's going to open in the same window. So I would suggest you control click for it to open in the new window. Here, this is the GitHub repository for the PL300 course. Now, I would suggest that you go to this page and you fork it into your GitHub account. You can see lots of PBIX files, probably one for each question. So once you go to that link, download the PBIX file. Now, the best way to prepare for the exam is not just to read through the content or see some videos, but to actually go ahead and do that. So download the PBIX file and open the file. So make sure you also install the latest version of Power BI Desktop. So wherever it's possible to provide the PBX files, wherever the explanation is centered around the Power BI desktop, I have provided the files that I have used to create the question. So I highly recommend you go ahead and download this PBIX file. Now in the question, this is the data model that we used. The data model contains two tables, the dimension table and the purchases table. And if you click on this table, you will see the columns that are being used: calendar year and these four measures. Now each and every measure relates to a particular option. So if I have to come here, option A, B, C, D, each of them is a measure, and you can correlate what's given in the question to what you are seeing in the Power BI file with these options. Okay, so option A, okay, let me zoom it. So this is option A. So this is option A, and this is the formula used for option A. And this is option B. This is option B, and this is the formula for option B. This is option C. Option D is an error. Okay, and I cannot use it in the visual, else the entire visual gets the error. So I have not used it in the visual, but you can still see the same formula as you saw in the question, and the reason why this is an error. So that's the way you need to prepare for your PL 300 exam using my course. And you can also do the same thing with each practice test, each question, even the case studies. So let me just finish the case studies and show you. Even the case studies will have all the PBIX files. Okay. So there is a PBIX file here, case study iRudder, and there is another case study which is Gen Affair. So even this one has PBIX files. So wherever it's mentioned -8, -7, please make sure that you're downloading every PBIX file to get the exact data that's relevant for that question. That's all I have for this video. If you have any doubt on how to prepare for PL 300 or how to use my course better, please leave a comment in the description. Thank you.